everyone! Welcome to Daily English Chat.
Hello, friends. I'm Mark.
And I'm Lisa. We are very grateful you are here today.
Yes, this is a good place to learn English.
Today, we are getting in the trenches.
We're going to have a really terrible day.
Everyone has bad days.
Yes, at work, at home, or outside.
Today, we are going to help you talk about the bad day in simple English.
Slow English, simple English.
Mark, were you ever late when you woke up? Oh, yes, many times.
What happened today?
Today started off bad.
Oh no, why?
I woke up late.
How late?
I wanted to get up at 7.
And that didn't happen?
No, I woke up at 8:30.
That's very late.
Yes, I glanced at the clock and was filled with fear.
That's a very common sensation.
My heart was fast.
Were you tired?
Yes, I was still sleepy.
You were half asleep.
Exactly.
Half asleep means you are not fully awake.
My body was waking, but my brain was not. What did you do next?
I jumped out of bed.
Jumped out of bed.
I was in a hurry.
Did you eat breakfast?
No, I skipped breakfast.
That's not good.
I know, but I had no time.
How did you feel?
I was uptight and a touch baffled.
That word is flustered.
Yes, I was flustered.
Let's learn today's phrase. Useful phrase. I overslept. I overslept is you slept too much.
Example, I'm sorry, I overslept.
Rescue sentence. I overslept. I'm on my way now. Short and clear.
No long story.
Okay, Mark. You left home late.
Yes, and the day got worse.
Oh dear. What happened?
There was heavy traffic.
Traffic again?
Cars everywhere.
How did you feel?
I felt stressed.
Stressed is worried and tense.
I looked at the time constantly.
That makes stress worse.
I thought, I'm late.
Did you message anyone?
Yes, I messaged my manager.
What did you say?
I said, I'm in traffic.
That's a common sentence. Useful phrase. I'm stuck in traffic. It says you can't move fast.
Example, sorry, stuck in traffic.
Rescue sentence. I'm stuck in traffic. I'll be there soon. Calm and polite.
Yes, even if you are not in a quiet place, mentally.
So your day got better at work?
Not really.
Oh no.
When I got to the office, my computer was acting up.
What kind of problems?
The computer was extremely sluggish.
That's annoying.
Yes. Then the internet stopped.
Oh wow.
I was in a prearranged online meeting.
Bad timing.
My screen froze.
And froze means it needs to be rebooted.
I felt embarrassed.
That feeling is normal.
I wanted to disappear.
But you didn't.
No, I stayed calm.
Good.
Useful phrase. My Wi-Fi is not working.
Simple and useful.
Example. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is out. Rescue sentence. My Wi-Fi is not working. I'll rejoin soon.
Professional and clear. What followed that meeting next?
I became very busy.
Busy how?
Too much work.
Meetings, emails, messages?
Yes, all together.
That can feel heavy.
I was fatigued, worn out, stressed.
That word is overwhelmed.
Yes, I was overwhelmed.
Did somebody just ask you something out of the blue?
Yes, my boss asked me a question.
Were you ready?
No, I was not ready.
You felt on the spot.
Exactly. Useful phrase. I was put on the spot.
And that means no chance for some prep.
Rescue sentence. Sorry, may I pause to think?
That is what keeps you calm. Finally, work is over.
Yes, I went home.
How did you feel?
Very tired.
How so? Are you tired in your body or is it a mind ache?
Both.
This bit comes after a crappy day.
I sat quietly.
Did you use your phone?
No, I needed rest.
You needed to relax.
Yes, I needed to decompress. Useful phrase. I need to decompress.
It's relax after stress.
Rescue sentence. I had a long day. I need to decompress.
Now it's your turn.
Mark, repeat after us.
Lisa,
And Mark,
slow.
I overslept.
I'm stuck in traffic.
My Wi-Fi is not working.
I was put on the spot.
I need to decompress.
Very good.
Don't worry about mistakes,
Bad days happen.
but English can help.
Small sentences are powerful.
Keep going with what you know, one step